Welcome back to a series so in heat. Even Heat Blast subscribe. In today's video mga kaunggoy, alrighty, meron na naman tayong oopsie mga kaunggoy. Bagong oopsie mga kaunggoy. Ito, trending na naman mga kaunggoy. Tapos na tayo sa FLM saga. Oo! Mga kaunggoy, oo! Ngayon, nandito po And ironic, no? Ang pagkakaalam ko kasi, parang Women's Month ata, mga kaunggoy, no? Women's Month ba? Parang Women's Month nga daw. Yun yung sabi ng mga tao ngayon, mga kaunggoy. Okay, so, March 3, 2026, mga kaunggoy. Etong si, ano ba to, Congressman or Quezon City Representative Bong Suntay. Meron siyang sinabing very shit mga kaunggoy, and pag-uusapan natin yan sa video na ito mga kaunggoy.
Let's up those numbers!
Alright, it is I, Manong Jaire, and ngayon, Quezon City Representative Bong Suntay was called out by several of his colleagues for his lewd remarks about actress Ann Curtis as he tried to establish a point during the hearing of impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte. Okay, so pinag-uusapan nila yung about sa laws, no? About sa impeachment, mga kaunggoy. Pero this guy right here, he thought it was a good idea to mention this shit, mga kaunggoy. Ito yung ito yung pinaka-quote na pinagsasabi niya. At ito yung sabi niya, and I quote, "Alam nyo, minsan nasa Shangri-La ako. Nakita ko si Ann Curtis, ang ganda-ganda pala niya. You know, may desire sa loob ko na
Galingan mo pa! Galingan mo pa, putang ina mo!
Nag-init talaga. Nag-init talaga. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano ka mag-iinit sa loob ng Shangri-La. Kasi malamig sa Shangri-La. Paano ka nag-init? Nag-init talaga. Na-imagine ko na lang kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero syempre, hanggang imagination na lang yon.
Imagination.
Pero di naman siguro akong pwedeng kasuhan kung ano ang na-imagine ko eh. Hindi ba may law na anti-bastos law? Alam ko meron yun eh. Punta tayo kay ChatGPT. Is there an anti-bastos law in the Philippines? Tanungin natin tong si Gurol Reliable ChatGPT. Yes! Okay, so ito yung sabi ng Philippines about sa anti-bastos law. Ayan, catcalling, wolf whistling, unwanted sexual comments. Ayun nga, meron anti-bastos law, mga kaunggoy. So, this is a very slippery slope, mga kaunggoy. Hindi ko alam kung... and here's the thing. Here's the disturbing part, mga kaunggoy. Diba ano siya? He is in a seat of power. Alam mo, yung congressman or Quezon City representative siya, mga kaunggoy. Basta, he's part of the politics people. Yung mga political people. Alam mo, yung mga political side of the shit, mga kaunggoy. No?
Ukit na.
Seat of power. Makapangyarihan siya from, yun nga. Tapos ito yung sineset niyang example. Tapos ito yung pinagsasabi niya. Nasa Senate hearing ba to? Tapos bigla mong sasabihin yan, mga kaunggoy. Out of nowhere. What the hell, man? Congress hearing pala, hindi Senate hearing. Sorry, medyo inutil ako pagdating sa mga fucking politics, mga kaunggoy. So, basta, yan! Nag-uusap yung mga politics people, whatever the fuck they do, about sa impeachment, mga kaunggoy. Basta yun! Na nag-uusapan sila about laws or whatever. Wala akong alam dyan. Inutil ako dyan, mga kaunggoy, no? So, ayun nga, ang pinaka-point natin dito. Meron akong theory, mga kaunggoy. Meron akong theory. Actually, hindi lang ako. May mga nagsasabi daw na mga people na conspiracy theory daw na baka may nangyayaring cover-up na naman. May pinapatrend na naman sila para makalimutan ng mga tao ang tungkol sa legendary flood control, mga kaunggoy. Hindi nyo ba napapansin? Una lumabas si FLM, oo. No? Trending na trending si FLM, oo. I don't know, man. Hindi ba sinasadya nila to para ma-cover up yung mga shit na nangyayari talaga? Yung mga important shit na nangyayari. Sinasadya talaga nila na mag-trending talaga tong mga kaunggoy. Ito, may binabasa ako ngayon. Quezon City 4th District Representative. Oh my God, ironic yung pangalan. Totoo ba yung pangalan niya? Totoo ba tong pangalan niyan to? Jesus Bong Suntay. Oh my God. Why? Sparked controversy during a House of Representatives impeachment hearing March 3 when he made a sexually suggestive manifestation. Alam mo yung mga lasing sa kanto? Yung mga lasing sa kanto na nag-uusap na, alam mo, ang sarap ni ganto, ganyan, bla bla bla. Alam mo yung mga ganon, yung mga nagiinuman na ganon. House of Representatives impeachment bla 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 hearing, mga kaunggoy. You're talking politics, tas live kayo from what I know. Tas biglaan yung sasabihin yan, mga kaunggoy. Like, what the hell is wrong with you? Maintindihan ko pa kung halimbawa nasa inuman kayo, tapos kayo lang, nasa inuman kayo lang, tapos biglaan yung ipagkakwentuhan nyo to sa circle ninyo. Yun okay lang yun, mga kaunggoy. Kasi it's not in a public setting, it's not in a political kineme hearing impeachment blah 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 shit. Mga ganon, mga kaunggoy, political shit, ganon. Basta ang point dito, you are in a house of ang important dito, you are in a seat of power and you would say this type of shit, mga kaunggoy. The hell is wrong with you? The hell is wrong with you? Like, are you thinking straight? I get it. I get you. You're a man. Alright? You're a man. We have our hormones. Summer ngayon. Tag-init. Inhit lahat, mga kaunggoy. I get it. Okay? Hindi mo ba pwede tiisin muna yung comments niya yan? Like, hindi mo ba pwede, ba't mo kailangan sabihin yan sa isang hearing? Na walang sense? Hindi ba pwede mag-intay ka muna makauwi? Tapos doon ka na lang magalulo, mga kaunggoy. Hindi ba pwede yon? Like, ako I'm not excused with this shit, alright? I'm not excused with this shit. I have my hormones. I have my, yun nga, may mga fantasies din na nangyayari sa utak ko. Kasi we're fucked up. As human beings, we're all fucked up. It's how you act on those fucked up desires. That's what matters, mga kaunggoy. Like, pwede mo naman itiis yung sarili mo or punta kang CR. Punta kang CR muna. Ask. Raise your hand tapos magpaalam ka, "Ma'am, CR po muna ako." 'Di ba? Parang sa school, 'di ba? CR po muna ako, no? Tapos ilang minuto ka doon, do whatever you gotta do, whack your bag. Tawag nga natin doon, you relieve yourself, mga kaunggoy, 'di ba? Like, pwede na ba yun, mga kaunggoy? Instead na sabihin mo talaga to in public, on national TV, in a public setting. And not to mention, yun nga, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin to, in a seat of power. Sabi nga nila, no? May nag-post. Isn't it ironic? We are supposed to be celebrating National Women's Month, and yet a woman was reduced to someone's imagination.
Imagination.
Inside the halls of Congress. Oh shit. When you put it that way, mas fucked up yung situation. When you put it that way, itong wordings na to, mas fucked up. We call him honorable but he objectifies women from a seat of power. Exactly, mga kaunggoy. If a congressman thinks those statements belong in Congress, what more is being said in rooms where women are not present? What more is normalized behind closed doors? Closed doors, ayun. Actually, ako guilty ako dito. Pero I do my best to keep shit to myself, mga kaunggoy, no? I do my best to control my fucked up brain, mga kaunggoy, no? Like, minsan pupunta akong CR, sa kwarto, mga kaunggoy. You know, I gotta do what I gotta do, alright? I got these hormones, mga kaunggoy, lalo na tag-init, mga kaunggoy. You know, there are times where we gotta do what we gotta do, pero, like, we still gotta control ourselves, mga kaunggoy, no? I know our hormones are very powerful, pero, ayun nga, control, tapos, magantay na lang hanggat ikaw na lang mag-isa, mga kaunggoy, or whatever. We will not normalize disrespect, we will not excuse objectification, and we will not be silent when those in power forget what honor truly means. Oh, shit. Kung sino nag-post nito, that is some fire post right here. Okay, so bagong update about dito sa Bong Suntay on Ann Curtis remarks. Sabi niya, sabi ba niya to? I deserve the backlash. Iginiit man niyang hindi siya pwedeng kasuhan na naging pahayag tungkol kay Ann Curtis. Aminado si, okay, na dapat siyang, okay, so he's accepting criticism. Sabi niya dito, dapat siyang punahin, mga kaunggoy. Shit, may Jesus nga yung pangalan niya. Why? Ay nako, yung pangalan mo pa naman, may Jesus. Ay nako. Sheesh. Okay, so happy Women's Month. And the people right now, they're doing memes, mga kaunggoy. Ginagawa na nila ng memes, mga kaunggoy. And you know, pag may mga controversies, pag may mga backlash, mahilig ako tumingin sa memes, alright? Ang daming memes ngayon na nakakatawa, mga kaunggoy. At saka ito yung nakakatawa eh. Nagkakagera na sa buong mundo. Ang nasa isip mo yung nasa Shangri-La ka tas nagiinit ka. Like, what the fuck, man? Okay, ito, meme. Ito, meme. Guys, who's horny right now? This MF. Sheesh, ginagawa na siya talaga ng meme. 4 hours ago, mga kaunggoy, may bagong update dito kay, yan nga, the Ann Curtis Bong Suntay saga, mga kaunggoy. So, sabi niya, I've never seen her in person. What? I've never seen her in person. Ayun, sabi niya dito, alam nyo, minsan nasa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis, ang ganda-ganda pala niya. So, yun yung sinabi niya. Tapos biglang sinabi niya, I've never seen her in person. Ano ba talaga? What? I'm confused right now. Quezon City Representative Bong Suntay admits that his controversial remarks about Ann Curtis were a fictitious situation that he made up. What? During an ANC interview, it was a 4-hour debate and adrenaline was high. He added it was a mistake. I did not see her. I've never seen her in person. Wait, what? So ano ba talaga? It was a 4-hour debate and the libido was high. When he realized that it will be the end of his political career. Okay, so first, imagination. Second, analogy. And third, mistake. Baka yung pang fourth, joke only ngani. That even makes it creepier. Bakit top of mind niya si Ann Curtis? Ayun nga eh. Like, nasa hearing ka, tapos yun yung nasa isip mo. And yun yung napag-isipan mong sabihin, mga kaunggoy. Why? What are your thoughts on this entire situation? What are your thoughts on this entire blah, blah, blah? Honestly, like, yeah, very fucked up yung... Nung una, parang natawa ako eh. Kaso nung na-realize ko na parang nasa hearing pala yung setting, no? Hearing pala yung House of Representatives ba to? Noong una, akala ko joke lang to or meme na parang, podcast lang to o vlog lang to, ganon. Pero nung na-realize ko, nasa House of Representatives na hearing pala to about sa impeachment blah 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 na pinag-uusapan nila, they are speaking politics, mga kaunggoy. Doon na nagkakaroon ng medyo, okay, hold the fucking minute, hold the fuck up. Why are you speaking about this? Why are you talking about this in this situation, mga kaunggoy? Can you please shut up? Hold your libido. Go to the bathroom or mag-antay ka hanggat makauwi ka, and then you can whack your bag. Like pwede naman yun, no? Like ako gagamitin kong example yung sarili ko, okay? Wait lang, na-realize ko lang. Parang may pamilya ata tong si Representative Bong Suntay. Di ba meron siyang parang may pamilya ata siya no? Pag may pamilya siya, that makes it even fucking weirder. What the fuck, man? Pero ito, gagamitin ko sarili ko as example, mga kaunggoy. Ako, I'm not excused with that shit, no? Pero, I do my very best na, yun nga, control, puntang CR, relieve yourself, and then boom. Hindi yung sasabihin mo pa sa public, mga kaunggoy, nai-imagine ko itong mga senaryo, mga kaunggoy. What the fuck? Yun, mas weird yung pagkasabi niya eh. Yung imagination ko, yung mga senaryo, ganun bla bla.
Imagination.
Galingan mo pa! Galingan mo pa, putang ina mo!
So ayun, magantay pa tayo, mga kaunggoy, alright? Magantay pa tayo ng mga updates, and hopefully, marami pang mga oopsies this year, mga kaunggoy, and I will be waiting. And that's the bottom line, because Manong Jaire said so. I gotta head out.
Galingan mo pa! Galingan mo pa, putang ina mo!
Oo! Oo!